Hey everybody, this is Sam and welcome back to our third lesson. This lesson is going to go over how to capture MIDI. Okay, so let's just jump right on in. All right, so capturing MIDI, what am I even looking at? So today we're going to be going over what is MIDI and how we capture it. Okay, so what is MIDI? Well, MIDI is just data that we assign to a sound using an instrument track. And there's one of those buzzwords, instrument track. We know what that is now, so go find that slide. And here are the steps to capturing MIDI. There's only 4 steps. We create that instrument track, we pick the sound that we want, we press record enable on the track, and then we hit record. Again, we're going to show this in more detail. I just want you guys to be able to separate that technical from that creative, because these are the steps. These are the small things that are getting in the way from you making the best music. I'm just throwing that out there. Let's keep on keeping on. So questions to think on. How do I edit MIDI once I've recorded it? Again, just a short lesson, but we're just referencing the basics here so we can apply them to the actual practical sense of the Noisemakers Academy. Okay, so good job on this one. Let's keep on keeping on.